What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Guys, before I start this video, I just wanted to say that as of right now, only about 25% of the people who watch these videos are actually subscribed. Guys, if you could just, hit that subscribe button. It takes a couple of seconds, but it means so much to me, and it shows that you guys are actually enjoying this content. And, it's just nice to see, some positive feedback. But let's just jump into the video. If you guys don't want to, it's totally fine. But like I said, it would mean a lot to me if that happens. So, do what you guys feel like is right. So anyways, guys, let's jump right into this video. This video is all about Theta. Now, Theta gang is a serious gang, and it's been making a lot of money recently. Reason being, this market is choppy, this market is wild, and this market has no sense of direction whatsoever. Now, there's a way to play that. Now, there's some people that are skilled enough to catch these swings on the ups and downs and time it absolutely perfectly, but a lot of traders are not able to do that. And a lot of traders will end up trying that and then end up getting stuck with a call that, ends up just getting absolutely Theta burned. And, we hate to see that. We hate to see that as traders, and we've seen that a lot with Amazon recently. If you look at Amazon, let me put this on top quickly. You look at Amazon, Amazon's been getting rocked, absolutely rocked recently for no good reason whatsoever. It's been just sitting in this channel doing absolutely nothing. And call holders have been getting absolutely burned alive because of this. Now, I have shares, so, I'm obviously down $1,000, but I'm not sweating it at all. There's a lot of market manipulation right now going on, and people are really hating on Amazon stock. But, like cream will always rise to the top, and, their earnings will talk for themselves, so I'm not too worried about that. But I actually made a really good play on Baba this week, which is Alibaba, if you guys don't know what that is. Great e-commerce play in China. I went ahead and sold this is a credit spread that I have. I'm up a little bit on it right now. But I actually sold a put on Alibaba. And as you guys can see right here, I sold this put initially November 13th. And I got $820. Basically, at the end of the day on November 13th, I got $820. The current price of Alibaba at the time was $260.5, and I did a $257.5. Alibaba went down a lot last week. It had a slow bleed, except for today where it had a big pop up. Alibaba, went from that 260.5 and just slowly kind of bled out and went really low. But I had Theta on my side on that contract. And Theta is basically, it's a Greek is what they call in options. And basically every day that option does not move or does not move, in a certain direction, that option is losing 35 cents a day. Which for that option it was 35 cents a day for that option. So every day that Alibaba, is trading, it's losing 35 cents of value, So even though the stock was going down a little bit, it wasn't going down enough to offset the loss of the Theta. And then finally we had our first update today. And unfortunately, I sold it way too soon, way too soon. But I cashed out around, I don't even know. It was not good at all. It was around here, honestly, right in the morning time. And I got $285 for it, which is not bad at all. I mean, like I said, sold it, got $820, and then bought it back for $285. So we locked over $500 in one single week on that stock, and that was because of Theta. Had I just bought a call outright, I would have gotten slaughtered, absolutely slaughtered, because the stock went down for a week straight, and you have multiple red days in a row. It's terrible for your call. So how we can profit off this is by using Theta on our side. Now, these are long-term credit spreads, which is also a Theta gang strategy. It's not as much because it is, we're using such long expiration dates, 115. So we can't even see really how much it is. But if we go down to the put that we're selling, we can see that the Theta is 1.03. So every day, this option is going to drop $1, which in this case is $100, which is pretty good. So, obviously we can use that to our advantage. It's not much at all considering the fact that it's $50 right now, but it adds up over time. And like I said, this is a long dated one. If you want to do ones that are weekly, that's when Theta actually is the best. Weekly options. Theta will destroy a contract. If we look at this right here, if someone wanted to sell a put on Amazon, not that, we don't have enough money to do that, obviously. But if we click this strike price right here for 3,100, look at the Theta, $3.38. Every day, this option is losing $335 every single day because of Theta. So if Amazon stock stays flat or it goes down a little bit or goes up a little bit, not enough to make it really move, it's going to lose $338 a day. So let's say a whole week goes by and nothing happens. Dude, that option is absolutely screwed. Absolutely screwed. And there's no way of getting back on that except you have a massive pop. So, us traders can take advantage of that, especially on stocks like I really like Apple. Doing a put on Apple is so good because you get really, really good premium for it. So if we go ahead and look at Apple right now, we can go ahead, click here, go down to trade options, trade Apple options, and we can start selling puts on Apple. Now, Apple had a down day today, so today would have been a perfect day to do it. We go to next week, like 115. Okay. We click the 115 strike price. We'll get $75 up front. Every day, that option wears off 10 cents. That's big. Every day, that option is losing about 15% a day. You wait 2 days, and let's say that the stock goes up as well that first day, you're already like 30 to 40% in the money. You can cash out right then if you want. That's the beautiful thing about Theta. If you have a big update, your percent that you're going to be up is going to be so big, and you also get that Theta. Or let's say the opposite happens. All right, it goes down, it's going down a little more. You have that time on your side, and you have that Theta to offset some of the loss. And that's what we did with Alibaba. That's how we were able to secure big profits on Alibaba despite the stock being lower when we first sold it just because of Theta. So this also works if you own shares. So let's say you own 100 shares of Apple and you want to sell a covered call and get paid every week. Let's say you want to do a 119. Same thing works. That's 10.5 cents. So right there, it's like 11.5% every single day that the stock doesn't, moon up in this part. And you guys can really capitalize. You can capture these moments. So capture the swings. It's a choppy market. It's up, down, up, down. It goes down, boom, we sell that put. Okay, it goes up, we lock in profits, and we sell a call if we own the shares, obviously. We don't want to sell naked shares. It's very risky, and it's not supported on Robinhood. So we don't really want to do that. It's a little more risky. But, you can if you want to take a little bit extra risk. Maybe give yourself a lot more space, though, so that way you're not forced to actually go short the position, which would happen if you did that. So this is just simple Theta, guys. This is using Theta to your advantage to profit. So even though Amazon went down a lot this week, and we lost good money on Amazon this week, we're down a decent amount. We were still able to make money this week. We were able to make $611 this week because of this Theta. We sold that put on Pfizer. That's $40 right there. We did these credit spreads. I'm not even going to count those. And then we sold that Alibaba put and locked in $540 from that. So we do these little things, and my goal is if I can make I didn't reach my goal this week. I like to get at least 1% a weekend. We did not get that this week just because of the fact that Amazon went down. So we didn't really get it this week, but we still made pretty good money. I'm not going to complain about making $611 in 1 week from trading, and that profit is realized. Okay, so we locked in $550, I think, on the Alibaba put, and we locked in $40 on the other one. So we locked in $590 of profit, and to still be up despite Amazon having a red week is a very good sign. So it's little things like that. Ways to just make money every single week and be very safe as well. And that's the thing I like about it. It's super, super safe. So I'm going to wait and see next week if hopefully, if Apple starts off really down on Monday, I'm going to go ahead and sell a put on Apple, probably for 2 weeks out, collect a lot of extra premium if you go farther out. So I'll probably do that. But that's really about it. And maybe even do a QQQ put if I have to. But I want that thing to drop a little farther. The reason I like Apple is because I feel like its sales are going to be very good for the new iPhone 12 and the earnings and anticipation is going to really ramp it up. And, with Christmas and everything, you're going to see a lot of spending. So it's something to look forward to. But guys, I hope you are enjoying these videos. I hope they're very informative to you. And I urge you to have part of your portfolio Theta gang if you can. Smaller portfolios, I talked about in the 2 videos ago, the best strategy for smaller portfolios, these credit spreads. These credit spreads are Theta gang. You can profit from Theta using this. You don't need a ton of money for that. 500 for this. You need like 1,000 for this. Max. That's all you need to make some good money. So, use this to your advantage. Be safe, guys. Especially in this market, we've seen calls can get slaughtered in 1 day. You can lose a ton You can also make a ton as well. I'm not doubting that. Ask Tesla bears that, or bulls that, they made a fortune on these Tesla calls. But the people that bought Tesla yesterday, anticipating that it would continue to run, well, they got slaughtered today. So, anyways, guys, that's what the video is all about. It's all about Theta, and that's what I use to profit, and that's how I try to make money off this. And it's been working out pretty well. Like, as you guys can see, about $8,000 in the past 3 months just playing Theta. So that's good money, guys. It's it's not life changing or anything like that, but it's getting us in a position that one day we will have that ability to be able to make life changing money off this. So that's just what we're doing, guys. Shout out Options on Wall Street. Great group of guys, great traders. Definitely recommend checking them out. And like I said, hop in our Discord channel and the link in the description below if you guys want to join my Discord, and we can talk about anything you guys need to about the stock market or anything like that. So guys, like I said, enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys think about using Theta Gang as a strategy. Take it easy, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.